Join me as I put the fastest portable SSD to the test and see if it really can keep up with my on-the-go lifestyle. Portable SSDs have taken the world of content creation and professional workflow by storm. And it's easy to see why. They offer a level of convenience, speed, and reliability that traditional storage solutions just can't match. When it comes to traditional storage solutions, one of the major pain points is slow transfer speeds. We've all been there, waiting for what feels like an eternity for our files to transfer from one device to another. It's frustrating, and it costs us time and productivity. Another major issue is the lack of portability. Traditional hard drives are often bulky and heavy, making them a hassle to carry around. And let's not forget about the risk of physical damage. A single drop or bump can render your drive useless. But it's not all bad news. There are also compatibility issues to consider. Not all devices can read or write to every type of storage device. And of course, there's the issue of security. Traditional storage solutions can be vulnerable to data theft or corruption. It's a lot to worry about, and it's easy to see why portable SSDs have become so popular. So what makes a portable SSD exceptional? For starters, you need blistering fast read and write speeds. We're talking speeds of up to 2,000 megabytes per second or more. You also need a device that's durable and can withstand the rough and tumble world of on-the-go use. That means it needs to be able to withstand drops, bumps, and even extreme temperatures. And of course, it needs to be compatible with a wide range of devices, from smartphones to laptops to desktops. But even among portable SSDs, there are varying degrees of quality and performance. Some are faster than others, some are more durable, and some are more compatible. So what sets the fastest portable SSD apart from the rest? For me, it's the Sabre Rocket V2. This thing is a beast, with read speeds of up to 3,355 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 3,000 megabytes per second. It's also incredibly durable, with a rugged design that can withstand even the toughest conditions. I put the Sabre Rocket V2 through its paces, and I have to say, it's a game changer. Whether I'm transferring massive video files or working on complex projects, this SSD delivers. And the best part? It's incredibly portable, weighing in at just 3 ounces. I can take it with me wherever I go, and it's always ready to perform. But what really sets the Sabre Rocket V2 apart is its real-world performance. I've run the numbers, and this SSD consistently outperforms the competition. Whether I'm transferring files or running complex programs, this SSD delivers speeds that are unmatched by anything else on the market. So why should you care about having a fast portable SSD? For starters, it's a major productivity booster. With a fast SSD, you can transfer files and access data in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional storage solutions. It's also incredibly convenient. You can take your files with you wherever you go and access them on the fly. In the end, it's all about speed and portability. With the right portable SSD, you can take your workflow to the next level and achieve a level of flexibility and convenience that traditional storage solutions just can't match. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own experiences with SSDs in the comments below. If you're looking for more tech reviews and comparisons, be sure to check out my other videos.